For today I'm going to show you how to gas up a 2003 Honda CRV. If you come round, we'll see how cold the aircon is at the moment. So we're on the coldest setting with the aircon on and we're hovering around 50, and really we want to try and get it around 40. I've got my glasses on, and I've got my gloves on, I've got the kit I bought from Thompson's. I'm filming the video because they pay £10 back if you send the video of it working. So I've read the instructions and I know my compressor's working, so I'm going to go straight ahead and gas. I'll wind the pin up, I'll put the can on, attach it to the car. You see the pressure's around 30, really needs to be around 35 to be freezing cold. I've got my aircon running and I can see my compressor spinning. So I'm going to pierce the can. That's it, it's pierced. Now I'm going to open the tap to let the gas in. You can see the gauge spinning round. I'm going to shake the contents in. And hopefully we'll settle somewhere between 35 and 40 and we'll have nice cold air inside the car. The can feels nice and cold and nearly empty. See the pressure sitting exactly where we want it. Let's put the last little drops in. Shut the can off. Remove the gauge. Put my cap back on. We've revved the car slightly to push the gas through. We're going to see how cold we can get it down, hopefully to 40. Feels cold in here, you can see it starting to come down. Nearly there. There we go. 2-minute job, freezing cold aircon. Thank you very much.